Hello friends, today's story is The Hunter and the Pigeons. Let's start. One day, a hunter sets a net to catch birds and placed grains and rice over the net. After some time, a flock of pigeons comes by and start eating grains and get caught in the net. After some time, they started losing hope. Then their leader asked them to fly together up in the sky. They did as they were told and carried the net away. The hunter runs after them, but they flew away to their friend's mouse hole. The mouse cuts the net and feeds the pigeons. So friends, moral of the story is, yes, unity is strength. So today is no more. If you like this, please subscribe my channel and like and share must. Today bye bye. Love you all.